Ma'am, his name is Hadi from Australia.
Yes.
How old are you?
Hi, Hadi. I'm from Philippines. I'm Phoebe.
Hi,
How old are you,
Phoebe.
ma'am?
Nice to meet you.
I'm 38 years old. How about you, sir?
I'm 29 years.
Dugo ba itong ilong ani ay?
Bala ka dyan, oy.
Magdugo akong ilong ani. Sir,
Big no?
Chupensero, magdugo akong ilong.
Kausapin mo na, sayang yan, paldo.
O gani. Dugay na ko nang itag afam.
Kausapin mo na, kausapin mo.
Hi, sir. Where are you from?
Yeah.
Where are you from,
actually, as he
Hadi?
said, as he said, I'm originally from Iran, but I've been in Australia for 15 years.
Okay. Kasabot ba ko ato? Unsa gito?
Sabi niya, so galing talaga siya ng Iran. So doon na siya nakatira sa Australia for
Okay.
15 years. Okay. Ma'am, are you single mom?
Yes, I'm a single mom for almost 4 years.
How many children
and
do you have?
I'm doing Zumba dance.
I think so.
Yes,
Yeah, I like Zumba dance.
I know how to dance a little bit.
So you know on how to dance spaghetti pa baba?
Yes, I know already.
Hadi, you know what is spaghetti?
Huh?
Hadi, you know?
Spaghetti.
No.
Yun yung trending dance in the Philippines, is spaghetti pababa. You know how
You know-
to dance?
It's coming down, going up.
Spaghetti pa baba. Pebyang, how many children do you have?
Yes. I have 3 children, only 1 boy.
Sir, it
What's
is
the- how is
okay
the
to you
oldest
to
one?
this girl is she has 3 children.
How is the?
She's a single mom.
Yeah, depends of the kids, the age. How old is the kids? The
ilan
first.
taon na ba yung mga anak mo?
I have 19 years old, 12 years old, and 10 years old.
To be honest, it's too yeah. For me, it's like a little bit. Her son is too old for me, like too young for me. Should be more younger.
Ano daw yun?
I'm not like I don't know how to explain it. If they've a woman with the kids, but if they have a kids under like 7 or 6, I'm okay with them. But
Okay.
over 6, 7 years old kids, not really.
Ay, hindi niya gusto yung mas malaki na yung anak. Gusto niya yung
Oo.
maliit
It's not
pa lang.
about. Sorry,
Yun ba yun?
don't get mine because of maybe in her son in that age cannot understand me, or maybe I cannot understand them. But if the kids grow up with me when they're young, yeah, we can
Okay,
understand each
okay.
other. We can connect for that.
So gusto niya yung mga bata under 7 years old para yung maintindihan siya.
Oo, yun yung
Kasi pag
nagets
may
ko
isip
din.
na yung
Gusto niya
bata,
yung ganun.
oo. So sorry mama, thank you. Balik na lang sa sunod baka may apam ulit tayo dito.